store, and what happens?
You have totally transformed the kitchen. You emptied out and cleaned the inside and outside of the refrigerator entirely. It's like an amazing kitchen elf came in while I was gone and whipped it all into shape. Thank you.
Now you can start 2012 with a new, cleaned refrigerator.
That's right. Well, I'm looking forward to it. I have food as we speak.
Excellent. Okay.
So what to put in there.
Carry on.
And
Camera is edging towards the pantry. Maybe it feels like the pantry is a project for a later time.
the pantry is a project for a later time, and it will get done.
A later time and another video.
But not today.
Exactly. Job's done for now.
I'm stalking the pantry.
Ooh, are you a pantry stalker?
Not stalker. I'm not a stalker.
This message was brought to you by Mrs. Myers Clean Day. Ooh,
Don't leave home without
nice.
it.
I'm seeing some holiday treats that I might have to take advantage of. Anyway, ciao for now.